For the past days, Mr. Chair, I've been roaming around the city, Mr. Chair, and I was able to notice a lot of busted electric street lights, Mr. Chair. Luckily, Mr. Chair, the GSO acted promptly, Mr. Chair, by way of replacing many of those busted electric lights. While the solar lights, Mr. Chair, for the information of everybody, there are 64 non-operational at 10 o'clock solar lights along Rizal Street and 30 along Vintar Road, Mr. Chair.
Actually,
We took-
pati Bacararo da po. Sad to say nga, ada DJ main highways tayo nga nakasip-sip ngit nga.
that those are electric, Mr. Chair. Electric lights, Mr. Chair. So there was a scheme that we made with the GSO, Mr. Chair. Previously, Mr. Chair, tunggal report tak, mapanda kita no anat madi sa mapanda gumatang. So we talk to them. Dapat nakasagana lata aminen. Tap nunok, mapanda kita no nat perdi, automatic nga sukatanda.
Sukatanda.
So they are now adopting that, Mr. Chair.